Right peeps, we're back again to this site. We were here about a week ago, and we unsuccessfully found this entrance. We're coming back a wee bit more, I wouldn't say armed, a bit more forewarned. Still don't know if we're going to be right or not, but we're going to try. And we're going to try and get through this wee gap in the fence, and I mean thin. Yeah, thin. This could be interesting. Right, so we're going to try and see what we can get up to, and we're going to try and see if we get into this old Air Raid shelter. If we can find the entrance, even if we're right or wrong, because we're finding this very elusive to find. And especially, you seen on the video, Jamie did really try to find that, coming down that very steep descent, down trying another safer way, but we found this other bit here that we think gives us better access to it. We think, we don't know yet. So we're going to go and take us along. Yeah, we're going to take us along with us, see if we can find this. Here's hoping.
Let's go.
Right. We're gonna have to go with plan B now. Well folks, we made it onto the grounds that we're supposed to be. Jamie's over there trying to have a wee look to see if he can find any entrances. This is what we thought was the entrance when we found out when we put the EVX up there, but it wasn't. The only trouble is we've got this big mound of earth here, and what do you call it, we don't know if that's the entrance has been filled in. And we're going to try up the top, because there's like 2 tiers here, so we're going to go and get that. Found the sights. There's one entrance there and there's another entrance along there. There's a slight possibility we might get in, but due to the conditions today I don't know if we can, because the extreme way of getting into this. But the good news is we found it. As you can see here, the door, and it sits on a rail, and you would go in through these entrances to the place. And the good news is we found them, but we may have to come back on a drier day because in order to get access to it. I don't know, what do you think about that, Jamie?
I've had a plastic sheet for that one, I would have a go at it.
Yeah.
I might get underneath it.
Yeah. See, we might get under it, we might not. Just have to wait to see.
Yay!